This is wonderful. Now you guys are actually going to learn the Vastu, the science of Vastu sitting at home. So this is so amazing. I'll be taking you to this journey and I am going to be guiding you through from learning the Vedic science, how exactly Vastu started, what exactly the realms of Vastu 5000 years back, and now how scientifically we are taking in this into a modern perspective of today's residential, commercial, industrial and institutional Vastu. So we'll be beginning with understanding what the Vedic science is all about. Is it a building science? Is it a religion? There are a lot of myths, there are a lot of things involved in this, and we all need to go to the details of science and then decode the missing things. So let me give you the brief of what you will be learning in these 4 weeks. Week 1 will be Vedic and scientific. Here you will understand about 5 elements, 9 direction. Here also you will understand about why Vastu is so important, what are the myths associated with Vastu as a religious metaphor which Brahmins and people who were in temple used to talk about, and also you will learn the science behind the basic propagation of Vastu in the form of zone plans. So what you will do is you will create you will get a drawing from your clients and you will make a zone. Zone is understanding 9 directions on the 2-dimensional drawing. And then you can identify, for zone you need to understand the directions. So direction, normally we use the magnetic compass, or sometimes we also use the solar compass, understanding east as the major direction. What will be week 2? So week 2 will be 5 attributes, the 5 canons of Vastu Shilpa Shastra. And these 5 canons are understanding about the Vedic knowledge of orientation, directions, placements, character of the building, proportions, and also the measurement, the Ayadi Shadvarga, the dimension, the Vedic dimension. You will get an idea about it, and you will also get a practical essence of how exactly you can use these systems in the modern architecture, in the buildings and the houses which you are dealing and which you will be designing now. 3rd week is most interesting. That's one of my favorite subjects. So 3rd week is geopathy, geobiology, under earth vibrations, which are also called geomagnetic forces. And these geomagnetic forces, GMF, are affecting us, affecting our body's health. But these geomagnetic forces are also positive. So there are positive power spots. And we will be identifying and we will be teaching you how exactly you analyze and understand these power spots, these negative geopathic stresses, shift the people from there, understand the site and plot, because most of these vibrations are coming from the earth, from the land on which your house, your apartment, your industry, your office is built on. So this is 3rd week. 4th week is the practical understanding. When you have understood the directions and 5 elements, when you have understood the 5 canons of core Vastu Shilpa Shastra, and also the geopathic stresses. So you now know most of the knowledge, most of the understanding of Vastu. 4th and the last week will be practical designing the houses, practically analyzing the spaces. I will be sitting with you on the Zoom or other video conferencing network, and we will be discussing on how exactly to do the analysis. And I'll be also sending you certain text and certain videos on all these 4 topics individually every week. So you will get a couple of hours of good talk, good videos with certain animations and information which I'll be specifically creating for you guys. And you will get these 4 weeks videos separately. And again, the bonus is I will be coming every week for 1 hour in front of you. And that will be the best time for you, for me, to know what exactly you have grasped, how much has gone in. And that is the way we will study. Vastu World Online System is going to be a wonderful, amazing and enjoyable session for you guys. And I am really happy. I am really happy from the heart that you have come and you have opted for this particular course. And I once again welcome you. Thank you. Namaste. And have a safe and happy living inside your own homes. Thank you.